Hello, everyone. This is Jeff at Ferrari FXS. Hey, we've got a instrument cluster bezel off a 2012 Ferrari 458. We sent the cluster out to get repairs. So we took the face of this bezel off, and he's got a problem with being sticky in here. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to maybe use some alcohol or something to take this stuff off here. Because I mean, you can see as I touch it here, it comes off of my hand. So what we're going to do is we're going to rub some alcohol on it and see what it does. I think it's going to do pretty well on it because I did use it on a little area right here, and you can see it's already cleaned it up nicely. So I'll probably just do some like rubbing alcohol, isopropyl alcohol, and rub that down. And you can see right here where it's really sticky in that. So we'll see what happens. But anyway, that's what we're going to do. All right, like I said, I've rubbed some of this on here. You can see here the difference. This is what I've cleaned up. This is still tacky here. I've cleaned this up right here already. You can see this is kind of nice now. It's not sticky anymore. Get a different view here. All right, and then this is still, I'm working on this. This is still tacky pretty much. I'll continue to work on that. We'll flip it over here. This side's the same way. It's tacky. So not as bad because somebody's tried to clean this up. But you can see in here, this is all tacky. The other side of this is tacky too, but I don't think I'm going to work on this. This here section is not exposed, so I'm not worried about it. So I'm going to go ahead and continue on. Just be careful when you're flipping this thing back for these tabs here, especially if you try to sit it like this, try to break those off, so be careful with that, all right? This is the stuff that's coming off in my rag. Yeah, this is pretty nasty stuff. So I'm going to continue on. All right, after a few minutes of wiping this down, you can see this is pretty well cleaned up on this one side here. The stickiness is almost all gone. I might have a little touch-up areas to do, but overall, big improvement compared to this. You can see how this is still tacky and stuff. So we're going to continue to clean on this side, and all through here you can see all that stickiness through there compared to this side. I mean, this side's a lot better. Like I said, I might have to go a little touch up, but this side here, is, I would say, is complete. And it's only a few minutes. Maybe I've spent 20 minutes so far on this. So shouldn't take you that long. It's just the biggest thing is I would probably do this by removing it from the car. We're going to have a removal of the bezel video here coming up on YouTube. As soon as we get the other one back, we were going to film it when we removed it, but we kind of got away from us. So we're going to show you the installation. So you should be able to do that in the reverse order on how to get this thing apart. So I'll show you how it goes back together, and you should get the idea on how to remove it. So we're going to go ahead and continue to clean this and see how it turns out. All right, we've finished cleaning this up. We've used, like I said, regular isopropyl alcohol on it. There might be an area here I may have to touch up, but for the most part, as you can see, the stickiness is all gone. Looks really good, a lot better than it was before. Like I said, may have to touch up some more areas. The more I look at this, there might be a little crevice here and there, but 90% of it, 95% of it's clean and it's not sticky anymore, which, man, is a big difference. But anyway, we'll catch you here in a few. All right, we've got our instrument cluster bezel all cleaned up. Looking pretty nice, slick. Like I said, we took alcohol and a rag and some Q-tips in that to get down the little crevices and clean this all up. I didn't use the alcohol on the fiberglass, or not fiberglass here, the carbon fiber. I don't think it'll mess it up, but I Still kind of wanted to stay away from it just in case. So that, and then the plastic lens. So be careful what you're using on it. But yeah, anyway, it turned out nice, and hopefully I'll be happy with it. It's got to be better than it was. But I would also suggest to remove this piece from the other piece. You don't want to touch the screens. You may damage them. So really, to clean this thing properly, you need to remove this bezel assembly from the instrument cluster. So anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll make some more videos coming soon.